We have news coming in. Let's take a look at that. Accidental mine blast has taken place near the line of control in Nowshera sector. This is in the Jammu region. There have been injuries reported as well to 6 army personnel. Now, this was an accidental mine blast in which 6 Jawans have been injured. They've been rushed to a nearby army hospital in Rajouri district. The Jawans have received minor injuries. They are out of danger right now. This is the news coming in from the line of control in Nowshera sector. Remember, Nowshera sector is right there at the border and therefore very crucial, sensitive location as well. We'll try and understand what exactly happened. Sunil Ji Bhatt joining me on this. Sunil, tell us about what is this accidental mine blast or how is the health status of the army personnel right now? Go ahead.
Well, Pooja, a team of the army personnel were on their routine patrolling duty when an accidental blast took place in Nowshera sector in Rajouri district of Jammu and Kashmir. The reports are that 6 army Jawans are injured. They have received minor injuries. They have been rushed to the army hospital in Rajouri and all of them are out of danger. It was an accidental mine blast. That's what our sources are telling us. 6 army personnel received minor injuries. They are being treated at an army hospital in Rajouri and all of them are out of danger. Pooja, back to you.
Also tell us, because this sector, even though comparatively peaceful now, has been very sensitive over the years. This is where mortar shelling had been. Pakistan had tried to intrude through this area. What are you telling me about right now Nowshera sector in near the LOC? Sunil.
Well, Pooja, as far as shelling is concerned, for last many years now, shelling has stopped because Pakistan assured that it was going to follow and adhere to the 2003 ceasefire agreement in letter and spirit. The guns may have fallen silent, but Pakistan continues to aid infiltration. Pakistan continues to send terrorists in Jammu and Kashmir to create mayhem in Jammu and Kashmir. And Pakistan also uses drones to smuggle weapons as well as drugs in Jammu and Kashmir. So Pakistan has not stopped its, illegal activities, evil plans. And that is why there is no room for lowering the guard along the line of control. And that is why strict vigil is maintained by our armed forces 24/7. Unfortunately, an accidental mine blast took place in Nowshera sector today. 6 army Jawans received minor injuries. They are now out of danger. That's the good thing. Fortunately, they are out of danger and they are receiving treatment at an army hospital in Rajouri. But Pooja, as you talked about this sector, Nowshera sector, there has been infiltration in the recent past in the twin border districts of Rajouri and Poonch. And in the last 2-3 years, we have seen a pattern that a number of terror attacks have taken place in this particular region. There is presence of terrorists, Pakistani terrorists, in the upper reaches of Rajouri and Poonch, and that is why there is no room for lowering the guard. 24/7 strict vigil is maintained. There is deployment of troops in large numbers at sensitive places. Pooja, back
Keep
to you.
tracking all the latest on that. This is going to be very important, remember, to just ensure that as the area still remains sensitive. For now, we're told that the Jawans are recuperating at our army hospital.